Hello everyone, pinang weekend itu Miss KYF kelang lumpu buki bar populajo kacitik lo te supi panendi bar ke no nalitum bar polang tang tenang litum keceng penjajitik an alang dumpa mode and bye bye di lang po.
Second Korean festival, and I would like to bring them all along with a handsome pride and a relentless spirit. I can award you to leave my remarkable legacy behind. First of all, good evening, respected judges, and good evening, dear ladies and gentlemen. I am Hanjangpi, a passionate advocate for women empowerment and educational access. I am a young woman of 20 years old, currently pursuing my BCom Bachelor courses from Product Jubilee College at Bokazan, belonging from an immense place called Lakijan. As being a woman, I love diving myself into creative activities and exploring new experiences, as well as inspiring others to raise their voice. So tonight, I stand before you, not just for myself, but for all the individuals who really feel I'm here. So dear ladies and gentlemen, I would like to urge every young woman standing out here to raise your voice, to speak for yourself, and never ever stop believing in yourself. Because the more you believe in yourself, the more you will got to know how strong you truly are. Tonight, I stand before you because I believe in myself that this young and passionate lady with all the glitz and glamour would stand for something very strong. Thank you so much.
Respected judges, and to all the ladies and gentlemen present here, I am Hanjangpi, age of 21, belonging from a beautiful place called Manja. In my free time, I love to do singing, dancing, and cooking. And currently, I am pursuing my HS in diphu
itu. Any questions from the audience? And the best personality. Sini barang itu kemana bang Pila Longji? And Miss Photogenic. Kacip Balongpon abang P lagi. Winner of the Miss Photogenic subtitle.